Can you guess the app name? The hint is it's a video meeting app. What's the app name? Zoom. Next, a ride hailing app. Lyft. Ride hailing app again. Uber. Again, ride hailing or taxi app. Bolt. Streaming service. Hulu. App style name. Zap. Take a quick sip. Swig. Social media app. Vero. Means fast or GoPro app. Quick. Abbreviation for short. Short. Attach or trim. Clip. App number 49. Old smartphone line. Throw. Mood or atmosphere. This is a hint. You need to guess the app name. It's vibe. Next hint. Short notification sound. Ping. To combine or ignite. Fuse. Photo app or quick break. Snap. Navigation app. Waze. Sudden surge or shock. Jolt. Sounds like radio. Radio. Sports or kicker reference. Kick. Tacky 4-letter name. Demo. Media server app. Plex. Like flick or photo action. Flick. A route or way. Path. Short catchy name. Toki. Ancient Greek philosopher. Zeno. Task list item. To do. Connect or URL. Link. Short memo. Note. Start or enjoy media. Play. Stream to a device. Cast. Short test. Quiz. Desire or hope. Wish. Network of squares. Grid. Repeat cycle. loop, gathering or introduce, meet, casual conversation, chat, publish online, post, send a message, text, dispatch or transmit, send, force outward or notify, push, draw toward you, pull, digitize or inspect, scan, modify content, edit, store for later, save, not closed, access, open, become part of, join, exchange items, swap, observe or look at, view, keep in sync, sync, video platform or cylinder, tube, 10 more to go, let fall or release, drop, emit soft light, glow, payment or ID, card, buy items, shop, document or folder, file, brain or care, mind, root for light, lume, second last, group or block, and the last word is app style name, wrap.